Yeah, I can't believe that's how much it's cost. 38.50. Right. 25.30. Petrol again. Worst part of the month. VAT tax return. Yeah, I hate it. But at least it's kind of getting me into the frame of mind, because in this episode we're going to be crunching some numbers. How much did the Mark 7 0.5 GTI build actually cost in the end? I have a rough idea, but it'll be interesting to find out. I need a coffee, this is rubbish. Oh, let's go with this one.
I forgot my face mask. Wah! I won the car in the auction, $5,500, right? And the car didn't sell. So after a bit of sort of negotiation, a bit with the insurance company, basically went back and forth, $100 here, $100 there. We finally settled on $6,100, which in euros is that. Then on top of that you have to pay the auction fee, $6,600. Car was mine. Concentrate, Wimpy. Yeah, then I had to transport it to France. Now both the Wimpistang and the Golf were pretty much the same price, and actually the Golf was a bit cheaper because it was already in New York. So the price of shipping this car was $1,400. The car arrived in France. Now this is where, if you're shipping cars from the States into Europe, you've got to pay your VAT, and that's 20%, bang, straight on the top. And also you've got to pay another sort of duty, which is 10%, and this is across Europe, like the customs fee, 10%. So you 30% bish bash bosh straight on top of the selling price. Then I had to go and pick the car up, so I had to rent a little trailer and go and pick the car up. So let's say, grand total here, how much did it cost this car just to get it on my drive is this amount, whatever that is. I'll try and do dollars and euros there. Once it arrived and I managed, well, you saw the video hopefully, yeah, once I started to empty the car, yeah, I was really pleased with just how much good parts actually came with the car, because that was just money saving. Every part was just more money saved. So, but I still did think, as long as I can put this car back together, I think I've got a bit of a bargain on my hands. Stop. Right, I'm gonna go and drop my pack off. I'll see you at home. Get the kettle on, all right?
The outside, round the outside, round the outside.
No Christmas goodies. Okay, so parts wise, now if you remember, it was pretty much most of the front end, this light, that light, the hood, the whole front bonnet, the wing, that door was a bought-in replacement. What else? 2 new OEM wheels, couple of tyres, the rear back quarter panel. Now the total bill of all them parts was
Right, I've written it down. Right, I'm trying to try and break this down a bit. Most of the money was actually spent on eBay Germany. It actually was a bit of a godsend, to be honest. Managed to find some amazing savings in money and in time. Finding some panels that are already painted in the OEM colour meant less mistakes for me, and yeah, more time fixing cars. Probably the best purchase though was that headlight. Under 100 euros, managed to obviously implant the working parts from the old one, but yeah, finished with a saving of almost 1,300 euros in one go. Winner. Total eBay spends 1,450 euros. bit dirty. Let's head off to the car wash. Then there was all the other purchases that weren't eBay. So that kind of included the quarter panel, the door, all the control arm bits, and yeah, all the missing like plastic trim that I had to get from Volkswagen and paid megabucks. But anyway, in total, that all came to 1,100 euros. Then there was, hang on, let's get this washed and I'll tell you the rest. Then, on top of that, there was the garage kind of external, I guess, sort of labour costs, which for the fixing the body shop repair for the quarter panel, that was 400 euros. Then I had the tyres fitted, well, bought and fitted for 220. The alignment was 120 on top of that, which means we are looking at a grand total. I know it's not a surprise because I've been keeping a little running total down there, but grand total. Okay, I've forgotten a couple of bits, so scrap that for a minute because I forgot a big part, forgot a big bit. Yeah, paint supplies. And obviously this could have been quite a bit cheaper. One, if I'd have gone not with the water-based paint, yeah, and if I'd probably not made so many errors. I've ballsed that up big time. It's really bad. Oh, but you know that already. Big difference in price though. How much did all the paint and paint supplies cost, which includes all the sandpaper, filler, everything. That came to a grand total of just under 500 euros. But let's call it 500 for good measure. What else did I forget? Oh yeah, now this was actually something I did off camera because I was really in a rush to get it done before actually taking the car on a little holiday. But I changed both the front and rear wheel bearings on the right hand side, and that came to a grand total of 190 euros, which means a grand total then of 12,680 euros. Now let's say, even if you were to say for good measure, add 500 euros. Now remember, that is for the car was only 3 months old when it got crashed. It only had 2,400 miles on the clock and was the 2019 latest edition. Obviously now there's the Mark 8, but still, that's the new Golf, nearly new, for 13,000 euros. I'd say in dollars, that would be this amount. Okay, so I did actually a evaluation of what a performance pack 2019 with the same amount of miles, kilometers on the clock would have cost me today. The evaluation of that car, 33,778 euros. Basically a saving of 20,000 euros then. Now that is mega bucks. That is mega bucks. So I think it's safe to say it turned out to be a bargain 2019 GTI in the end. And yeah, since completing the build, it's been absolutely flawless. But that is it from the GTI Mark 7.5 build. Yeah, how much I could actually sell that car for, obviously being a import salvage from New York, I actually have no idea, but I'd be lying if I said I wasn't tempted to find out. But guys, yeah, if you've enjoyed this video and have just enjoyed following this GTI build, then make sure you hit that like button, hit me up with your comments below. Have you managed to keep track of the old novelty jumpers? Let me know. But as always guys, I've been Wimpy, he's been Rudolph, you've been awesome for watching. Yeah boy! Check it out, this one lights up and everything. Drive safely wherever you're heading for the holidays, and I'll see you soon. Laters.